How's it going, everyone? So this video is going to be about how to get faster in the twisties with less risk. So first, before I even get into it, the number one thing to do is to stop prioritizing things that don't even matter. What don't matter? Body position and a high degree of lean angle. Those things don't matter. Those things are not the answer to get faster out in the twisties. So just put those aside for now. I see a lot of people bouncing around on the motorcycle, whole bunch of body position and trying to get a lot of lean angle, get to the edge of the tire, and they're slow. It's not the priority, okay? So I'm just gonna say that right off the bat. So what are the things to go faster with less risk? And that may even seem contradictory to some people, but at the end of the video, I guarantee you'll understand. So the first thing is, entry speed is the least of your worries for now. I want you to think about entry speed as, just like they say in champ school, you always slow down until you're comfortable with your speed that you're going and the direction the bike is pointing. Right before you lean the bike in, if you're still not comfortable with your speed, stay zero throttle and keep on slowing down until you're comfortable. Now, if you're still slowing down until you're comfortable, but the bike is going wider and wider and your direction is not taken care of, you're still not facing the direction you want to go, maybe pick up a little bit of brakes, maybe make an adjustment, do something, but don't just accept that you're going wider and wider. So rule number one, always slow down until you are comfortable with your speed and direction. Directly what they say at champ school, 100% agree, for sure. I've never freaked myself out by going too slow into a corner. The only times I've ever freaked myself out in the twisties is when I go too fast into the corner. And if you think trying to go faster, trying to get faster in the twisties is about going faster into the turn, well, you are going to run out of luck and skill very damn quickly. That's not the answer, okay? So that's number one. Number two, I want you to have more patience mid-turn. Everybody wants to get back on the throttle, right? As early as you can. Well, no. I want you to have zero throttle and be more patient mid-turn. So let's say here comes a corner coming up, right? Going into it. Slow down to comfortable with my speed. Zero throttle. Wait. Have a little bit more patience mid-turn to allow the bike to slow down and get facing the right direction in order to pick up the throttle and accelerate out of there. If you're trying to go way too fast mid-corner speed, having a lot of lean angle and a whole lot of mid-corner speed, you're just going to hurt your exit. And anything that messes up your exit, don't do it no more, because that's the priority, which is number three. The exit is the priority. So in order to make the exit the priority, you kind of have to reverse engineer a corner. Where's the exit? I want to have a really strong exit. Therefore, I want to get the bike turned and facing towards the exit as early as I can, just so I could get it off the edge of the tire and get back on the gas and really accelerate and power out of there, right? So here we go. Slow down until I'm comfortable with my speed. Patience, accelerate. Slow down until I'm comfortable with my speed. Have patience mid-turn. Wait. Now I can accelerate. And that little bit of patience is the big difference. If you start to accelerate too early and the bike's not facing the right direction yet, good way to get yourself in trouble. Slow down. So right here, if I'm impatient, start to accelerate, I want to go straight. So then what do I have to do to make the turn? I would have to add lean angle as I'm accelerating. Good luck. Your front tire is going to wash out. Do not do that. That's a good way to crash very easily. So you have to have a little bit more patience mid-corner. Slow down till you're comfortable with your speed. Mid-corner, allow the bike to slow. Allow the bike to get pointed. That way you can get the bike pointed, stood up off the edge of the tire, bam, accelerate really hard coming out of there. Because a lot of times people ask me, hey man, how fast were you going through that corner? Like, it's like an ego bragging thing. I'm like, I don't know, 30? And they're like, oh, well, I was going 40 through the corner. I'm like, okay. So what's your point? What does that mean? So they're going faster mid-corner speed, but because they have faster mid-corner speed, they have more lean angle, it's going to take longer for them to get back on the throttle really aggressively, and I just catch right back up to them on the exit of every corner. So I'm able to go at the same speed they're going, but I have less risk because I have less mid-corner speed, I have less lean angle, and my focus is getting off the edge of the tire to power out of there. That's the priority. So if you think about a corner as in three parts, right? You have entry, the beginning of the corner, you have mid-corner, and then you have the exit of the corner. And I want your mentality to change about what's actually important when talking about these corners. This is how you get overall quicker out in the twisties, but you have less risk. Adding risk, so if I were to say have a whole lot of entry speed and have a tremendous amount of lean angle, right, I would be telling you to do something that's way more risky, and it's not even going to make you faster. So it's like double stupid, right? So the whole idea, entry speed, you slow down till you're comfortable with your speed and direction. Mid-corner speed, have patience, wait. In order to set up an exit, just stand it up and have a really strong exit coming out of there. That's the priority. And if you just do that, you'd be able to ride very, very quickly if you want to, quicker than what you're able to, and you're gonna feel like you're going slower. This is the thing that gets people. It's gonna feel slower, but you'll actually be quicker. And it's not going to be anything sexy. It's not the crazy body position and the high degrees of lean angle. It doesn't look like you're going to be doing much of anything if people are following you. But when people are following you, like, man, that guy's going quicker than what I'm able to do. You'll just notice yourself being quicker and quicker, especially if you ride with your buddies that are all relatively the same skill. Focusing on the exits, having a little bit more mid-corner patience to allow the bike to get faced the right direction to set up that strong exit, and not worrying about how fast you go into a corner. That's how you really make a difference. That's how you change your mentality into, I'm going to add a lot of risk, and there's no benefit of adding a lot of lean angle and a lot of body position. There's no benefit to my overall twisty ability. But if you prioritize, flip it, if you make the exit your priority, set aside body position and high degrees of lean angle right now, right, and you focus on having a strong exit, and you think about every corner, how is it, can I get back on the throttle really hard right now? Well, I can't do it if I'm facing the wrong direction. I can't get really hard on the throttle if I have a tremendous amount of lean angle. So let's think about these things in a different way. Slow down until I'm comfortable, patience mid-turn, strong exit. Slow down, comfort, patience, strong exit. Slow down, comfortable mid-turn, strong exits. Slow, patience, strong exit. And how much am I moving my body, everyone? Look at my head. I'm literally dead center in the middle of the bike. I'm not doing anything with my legs. I'm not shifting my butt. I'm not moving my head back and forth. I'm literally just sitting here like I'm just riding to the store. I don't change much. This is how I ride 99% of the time. And you can still ride at a quick, fun pace. So when I'm behind people and they're doing all this crazy body position stuff, most of the time I'm right behind them like, why are you doing that? That seems like a tremendous waste of energy. Alright, so here you go. Slow down until I'm comfortable. Patience mid-turn, strong exit. Slow. Patience, wait. Strong exit, slow. Patience, strong exit. Different priority. If I had the priority and I'm mistakenly thinking a whole lot of entry speed is the way to go faster, you're gonna crash. That's just almost a guaranteed way. Too fast entry speed is like the #1 thing that causes the spark to make people freak the hell out and crash. Entry speed. Here comes a fun little part up here called the playground. It's like 9 turns. A lot of people come on the weekends and just go back and forth and play around. So you guys should say it now, right? Say what I'm doing as I'm doing it, because you know the routine now, right? So check it out. Here we go. So slow down, 3rd gear, patience mid-turn, wait, strong exit, slow, patience, strong exit, slow, patience, strong exit. Slow, patience mid-turn, way, strong exit, slow, patience, strong exit, slow, lean, patience, wait, strong exit. Slow, construction, extra slow. Patience, what's going on? Big truck right there, dirty road, strong exit, slow. Lean, patience, wait, strong exit. See what I'm saying, everyone? That's how you get quicker in the twisties with less risk. Less risk is the main thing. Strong exit, slow. Wait, strong exit, slow, slow, slow. Patience in the middle of the turn. Wait till I get facing the right way. Now I can accelerate. Strong exit. Steady, steady, steady. Full throttle. Slow. Wait. Full throttle. Slow, slow, slow. Patience. Wait. Full throttle. Slow. Patience. Wait. Full throttle. Slow. Wait, 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 wait. Full throttle. Slow, slow, slow. Patience, patience, full throttle. See? Have the patience to set up the exit. That's the real key thing about this whole entire video. Have the priority be the exit and have the patience to know that and the patience to ride in a manner where your exits are all super strong. I mean, why do I say this? Why do I say these are the three things I want people to think about and focus on, and it will make you quicker with less risk? Where is that all that information coming from? Am I just making this stuff up? No. I've done over 500 individual one-on-one cornering sessions, just me and riders, from newer riders to people that ride on the track every damn month. 500 people, watching them corner, following behind them, recording them. It comes from all that, watching what they're doing, listening to what they're asking me, teaching the last 9 years, including teaching on the track, and plus just having the 500,000 miles of riding experience and talking to different people, riding with certain people. And the number one question I get asked through comments and emails and DMs on Instagram and everything else is body position. What about body position? How do I look like this? How do I do that? What should I be doing with my body? What should I be doing about this? Look at the lean angle. Is that good lean angle for this corner? Like I'm supposed to know that somehow. Like I've never been on the corner. I don't even know who you are. How would I ever know that? So those are the majority of the questions. All kinds of questions about body position and lean angle. Go ride, go practice this stuff. Go put on 200 miles and really focusing and paying attention to what I'm talking about in this video. Go ride 500 miles of twisties over a couple days, and then I want you to email me and let me know what you think, and let me know what changed about your riding. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe to the channel, like, comment, subscribe, just like Patty the Baddie says. Like, comment, subscribe, talk to you later. I'm gonna go eat some pizza, or however he talks. All right, everybody, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.